Hey guys, this is Mike at Wholesale Solutions here in beautiful Loxley, Alabama. Today we're looking at a 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack in a beautiful lime. This is one wicked car. This guy took well care of it, local trade. Do a walk around on it, let you guys see all four corners. Alright, now we'll take a picture of the interior. It's got remote start, keyless entry. Car's clean. It's got the full package in it. Car even comes with its own app. Alright, once again, this is Mike with Wholesale Solutions in beautiful Loxley, Alabama. Thanks for watching.